A disk of mass m and radius r is suspended in vertical plane by a horizontal axis passing through its center. After sticking an object of the same mass m at its ring, the mass is raised to the position of maximum height. Now this unstable system is released when the object passes through the position right below the center of the angular velocity of the system. The angular velocity of the system would be equal to. Now first of all, let me draw this diagram again. Let this be the center O, okay, and initially a mass is attached over here and it is taken to a height m, okay. So let us find out the initial moment of inertia of the entire system. It will be equal to moment of inertia of the disk plus moment of inertia of this mass. Moment of inertia of the disk about its center will be equal to mr square divided by 2, and the moment of inertia of this mass is at a distance r, so it will be equal to mr square. This is the initial angular momentum, okay. This is the initial moment of inertia. Now when the same mass rotates and it arrives at this point then the moment of inertia will remain same, over here, but over here the energy will be different, okay. So I can say that I1 over here will be equal to I2, okay. We have to find out the total, over here the velocity it attains when this mass arrives at the bottommost position, just below this point, okay. Let us first find out the total energy at the point A, okay. Total energy at point 1 will be equal to the kinetic plus potential energy. Let me take this as the reference line. So over here the potential energy will be equal to 0, okay. Over here the potential energy will be equal to 0. So potential energy in this case, in the first case, will be equal to mg into r, okay, and the kinetic energy will be equal to 0, okay. The kinetic energy over here will be equal to 0. At position 2, the total energy will be equal to kinetic energy plus the potential energy at point 2, which is over here will be equal to kinetic energy, let it be equal to half I into omega square, plus the potential energy over here will be equal to mg into minus r. Why minus r? I am taking this as the reference line, so this will be equal to minus r. So basically this height will be equal to minus r. Now the total energy at point 1 will be equal to total energy at point 2, that is mgr will be equal to half into I over here will be equal to mr square divided by 2 plus mr square, which will be equal to 3 by 2 mr square, into omega square, plus over here it will be equal to or minus mgr, okay, minus mgr. So basically mgr, when it goes on the left hand side it will be equal to 2 mgr will be equal to 3 by 4 mr square into omega square. So basically m and m will get cancelled out, r and r will get cancelled out, okay. So omega square will be equal to omega square, which implies omega square over here will be equal to 8g divided by 3r. So angular velocity will be equal to root of 8 by 3 g by r, okay, 8 by 3 g by r, which is over here option number A.